Hello mga ka-Philstocks, Japet here! Para saan nga bang transaction list? Bakit ito napasama sa ating one-screen do-it-all? Halika, tuturuan ko kayo! Sa transaction list natin makikita yung mga done transactions ng stock na tinitingnan natin. Kasama na dito yung time, kung kailan na-carry out yung transaction, sino yung buyer and seller, ilang shares yung nabili, at magkano. Clicking the transactions button will give you a full list of all the done transactions for a stock in a day. Through this feature, malalaman natin if there are heavy transactions done towards a certain stock. And if so, sino ang mga brokers involved? And that's how we can use the transaction list in our one-screen do-it-all for our trades. Watch our tutorials for more details and guides on our Philstocks platform features.